What's up? You're just in time to see Finch Avalanche. Frostbite micarta, that is micarta. That is not G10. Shield is on the blade. M390 Avalanche. Anodized titanium. Made in Italy. First Finch made in Italy. First Finch with M390 blade. They usually stick to 154 cm. They made a Undertaker that's S35VN. This is M390, and I don't know, it just really called to me that white and blue. I usually don't like different scales. I like them to be the same, but I saw this on the website and I was like, you know what? I really like it. And I made the right decision. I really do like it. It's really nice. Finch Avalanche.